constant.
That may be two.
No, what it end up doing is it end up doing this and getting into one.
That constant noise, you hear that? It's wind.
Yeah, that's definitely one, Carol.
That's a tornado right there.
Exactly.
Call him.
Go ahead, call him.
Tyler, I don't have his number. Come here, Lulu. You might need to get your doggy too.
Going up, going down. That's definitely one.
There's one, yeah.
That's a tornado.
Two of them, maybe. One over there, maybe.
Yeah, you got it too hot to see it.
Here.
It's dissipating. It just went up.
Went.
No, then press call.
That was too cool. But it's still hanging down there. It's still on back.
Hey, are you looking outside?
Tell them we just witnessed a tornado.
Are you looking outside? Oh, you're not? What about Heather? Is she next door? Okay. Okay. Well, we're sitting here on our front porch. Looks like a tornado coming our way out.
It just went back up.
Yeah, one come down. There's another one starting to come out. Yeah, about on the hillside there. There it is.
Yep, there it is. A little small one.
Hey, I was just calling y'all because I didn't know if y'all was here. That we got little tornadoes coming out on the hillside here, and didn't know if y'all need to get in shelter. Oh, there it is. There's another one.
Oh, it's on the ground.
Oh shoot.
It's on the ground.
It's behind over toward the water.
It's on the hill over across. If you look straight across the water company.
It looks like it is a little bit. It keeps going down and coming back up. Okay. Well.
They're in Russellville.